وأنا أبوي نيمي أقوى صوتي يصلح لكم أعمالكم ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم.
My Naija don't bring no bonga Bishop News Tori. My name na Nehi. And make a sharply yarn on some Tori wey say it just happened. Omila kidnappers the way kidnap 6 INEC officials the way work for the governorship and House of Assembly election for inside Kogi State. Don't they ask for 50 million naira ransom before they go release them? And now the family members they come out come yarn this talk on March 27. After with the Kogi State call about police come out come lie say now only 2 people them 9 kidnappers they kidnap. The senior special assistant to President Muhammadu Buhari on top media and publicity, we name be Garba Shehu Dokon Yane, said the way we say Nigeria they miss the former president will be Goodluck Jonathan. Say na so Nigerians they go miss President Muhammadu Buhari if he don't come out for office. As some Nigerians they come out they can't reply am. Say now why we say they want Peter Obi may become the president of Nigeria, so they no go miss President Muhammadu Buhari at all. Nigerians they don't call out one manager of the Choice Eatery for inside Abia State. He say because in other security men where they guide the eatery to shoot 27-year-old man wey name is Izuchukwu Mbakwe, will be the staff for inside the eatery, and this begin happen when Izuchukwu Mbakwe go work on. So they call arrest him say because phone for inside the company they lost. And so the security men call arrest and come beat and we make an take faint. They later come shoot him for leg. We make an take brutalize, and this will get happen on Sunday, March 26, 2023. Trouble they sleep in Nyanga go wake up. Not be small gbege happen yesterday on Monday, March 27 when APC supporters go do protest. Say because people not agree congratulate the president-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu as they can't carry motor. Go they turn everywhere. We make the driver can't lose control as the motor comes some assault. We make Nigerians they come out to come they laugh. Say everything about all progressive Congress na bad. The Independent Petroleum Marketers Association of Nigeria don't come out the 10 Nigeria say they ready to buy fuel for 750 naira and they yarn this stock after we federal government come and contract say they want remove subsidy by next month. The Commissioner of Ekoloba Police, wey name be Umar Sanda for inside Delta State, he don't condemn the way some Ekoloba police officers torture one woman on top this video. As the Commissioner of Police come out and say may they arrest those Ekoloba police them and they go face disciplinary action, and this will happen for inside Agba or Delta State. The president-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu don cancel his 71st birthday wey go be on Wednesday, March 29th, as he ask Nigerians them for special prayer and thanksgiving service. Say because he ask God to make God help him as he dey prepare to take over the office of leadership. Plenty Nigerians they don shocktalize as they see one Igbo man wey be Muslim come dey use Igbo language dey deliver lecture for inside Central Mosque wey dey for Abuja during when they do their fasting.
يصلح لكم أعمالكم ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم ومن يطع الله ورسوله فقد فاز فوزا عظيما. Neze na ọbụ na ị na-ekwu okwu dị mma ị na-edebe iwu nke Chineke nsọ oge niile na Chineke ga-eme ka ọnọdụ gị dịrị gị mma.
Make we sharply gba small cheekily breaky as we go wish happy birthday to one of our Bishop TV supporter wey be Honorable Ayogbogun Cletus, wey be ogbonge politician and also ogbonge media personality. Abeg make we join body make we wish Honorable Cletus a happy birthday. More than 1,000 women them from different 13 local government areas wey dey for Nasarawa State on Monday, March 27, don't come do angry protest for inside Lafia as they ask Independent National Electoral Commission say may they review the governorship election. They say they just finish it, and some of the women them dress half naked. Lagos State Ekoloba Police Command don't arrest one lady one named Anne Ofili say because she chook her friend wey be Glory Okonte brutalized for inside her house wey dey for Greenfield Estate, Badore Aja area of Lagos State. For on top this video where they see some Muslims that they pray as Christians they can't guide them around during when they go do protest for front of INEC office for inside Abuja. Say because of the Wuru way happen for the 2023 general election, and now on Monday, March 27, 2023, now they do this protest. Yes, now BishopNewso'clock. My name is Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.